Bullish Desert Garden Organization cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 25 cents and 55 cents by 2030. Market experts accept Rose could reach 25 cents by 2025. Bearish Desert Garden Organization market cost expectation for 2022 is 4 cents. Desert Spring Organization presentation. Desert Spring Organization has proactively drawn in a ton of interest from the local area with its central goal to offer DApps and the information economy a fast and safe climate. An expansion in normal exchanging cost was welcomed on the new news. For data on the fate of the resource, see our Desert Spring Organization value expectation. Yet, how does various variables influence the Desert Garden Organization cost forecast? Here is a synopsis of the task in general before we investigate the Rose cost forecast. What is the Desert Garden Organization? Desert Spring Labs, laid out in 2018 by teacher Daybreak Melody of the College of California, Berkeley, is the essential maker of the Desert Garden Organization. Desert Spring Organization creates DeFi applications and cross-chain interoperability. It depicts itself as the principal security-empowered, versatile blockchain network for open money and a capable information economy. The organization's regressive similarity with the Ethereum blockchain, which was delivered in October 2020, empowers the development of decentralized applications, like the decentralized trade Uniswap, from Ethereum to the Desert Garden blockchain. The organization's local utility cache, called Rose, is utilized for marking and appointment at the agreement layer, as well with respect to paying exchange expenses. Out of an all-out fixed cap of 10 billion, the token had a send-off dissemination supply of 1.5 billion. After some time, delegators and stakers will get motivations for protecting the organization and how much around 2.3 billion tokens. Desert Garden Organization Basic Examination. Desert Garden Organization is a Layer 1 blockchain that utilizes evidence of stake, as was at that point portrayed. It is additionally the business' most memorable protection-centered exertion for open money. The objective of cryptographic forms of money is to rush the reception of decentralized finance by the overall population. It does this by fostering a stage that is more open, versatile, and reasonable than elective conventions as of now available. The organization asserts that the Desert Spring blockchain is incredibly adaptable on account of two parts. These are alluded to by the Desert Garden Organization as the agreement layer and the paratime layer. The paratime layer makes it feasible for various exchanges to be done simultaneously, speeding up generally handling execution. The site guarantees that, contrasted with sharding and parachain procedure on other blockchains, paratime handling is more protected. A vital part of the drive, as indicated by the Desert Spring Organization, is security. The drive utilizes a solid processing stage called confided in execution climate, which, as per Desert Garden Organization, shields brilliant agreement execution and ensures that information is never presented to designers or validators. Clients can feel more quiet realizing that those drew and will approach their delicate information because of this. The site likewise offers what it terms tokenized information, a sort of computerized resources. This element, as per Desert Spring Organization, gives clients command over the information they produce. Desert Garden Organization is trying to reclassify information proprietorship as opposed to conventional innovation, where partnerships control the data they assemble to make an additional capable information economy. With these protection qualities, the gathering desires to open up an extensive variety of new use cases. Also, it will ensure that applications can deal with basic information, like banking and well-being data, without clients stressing over the information being compromised, the organization claims. Uniswap. The presentation of Uniswap and its speedy ascent in fame among financial backers might assist the organization with turning into a significant future player in the cryptographic money market. The decentralized trade was made utilizing Desert Garden Organization's Emerald, a shared market creator-based shrewd agreement environment. The biological system and the Ethereum virtual machine are viable. Clients can likewise trade non-fungible tokens and cash on 6 extra notable blockchains. Desert Spring Organization's Rose has all the earmarks of being a coin to watch with considerably less expensive gas charges than rivals like Ethereum. An enormous number of famous financial backers backing the venture, and the main it effectively conveyed. How might this affect the 2022 and past Desert Garden Organization estimating forecasts? To place the considerations of the specialists in context, we should initially look at what the specialists understand with respect to the coin's ongoing presentation. Desert Garden Organization Specialized Investigation. In spite of the fact that it is challenging to give 100% precise specialized examination to the Desert Spring Organization cryptographic money, Trading View's strong specialized investigation device permits you to see the collected Rose trade rating progressively for the pick time span. The most broadly utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns are the underpinning of the ROSE USD report. Of capital, in a hopeful estimate, gives Rose a bullish cost expectation for quite some time. The stage predicts a steady expansion in the normal exchanging cost of the token. Similarly, digital coin price likewise sees the coin expanding in esteem. The entry predicts an expansion in normal cost, however, at a somewhat more slow speed. Desert Garden Organization current cost. Desert Garden Organization is at present worth 5 cents USD. Rose has moved 6.67% as of now with an exchanging volume of $20,403,005. Desert Garden Organization is right now positioned 108 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $280,366,193 USD. Desert Garden Organization value expectation 2022. Desert Spring Organization, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astonishing cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Rose cost figure for 2022 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, potentially coming to 8 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady, however no significant drops are normal. Averaging 7 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is attainable sooner rather than later given expected joint efforts and headways. Rose is supposed to have a base worth of 6 cents. Desert Garden Organization value expectation 2023. In 2023, Desert Garden Organization Rose cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Rose will before long outperform 14 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the Rose's overall strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, Rose will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 11 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 12 cents. Desert Spring Organization value forecast 2024. In the event that the vertical pattern go on until 2024, it could reach 19 cents and Rose might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Rose is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 18 cents and a low of 16 cents in 2024. Desert Spring Organization value expectation 2025. Assuming Desert Garden Organization effectively supports market opinion among digital currency lovers, the Rose coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Rose will be green in 2025. The Rose is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2025. In 2025, the virtual cash will be valued at 25 cents, with a base cost of 22 cents and a typical cost of 23 cents. Desert Garden Organization value expectation 2026. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the Rose cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 29 cents by 2026, with a base cost of 28 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Rose has a greatest value worth of 31 cents. Desert Garden Organization value forecast 2027. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2027, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 35 cents. On the off chance that Rose figures out how